and this is chocolate. It is not sweet, it is just called chocolate because it looks like chocolate. The masala on these green chilies, they look like chocolate. So what's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We have come to Faridabad to explore many unique food. We are in NIT Faridabad, but the exact location is New India College, NIT Faridabad. We are going to try a very unique dish which is just available in Faridabad, not in Gurgaon, not in Delhi or Indrapuram or Ghaziabad. So let's head to the shop. So we have come here to Surender Dosa Chole. This is a very famous shop. We have been waiting here for about 10-15 minutes and there are plenty of people coming in and having the chole. Chole is the star here. So there is dosa chole, there is kulcha and chole, and there are various kinds of chaat, and of course that water of that chole. We'll try that later, but we have dosa chole in front of us, but have a look how it is made.
ये मेरा नाम संजय है, संजय दलका, और दुकान यही है सन 61 से हमारी बहुत पुरानी दुकान है पापा के टाइम से। और वो जो पाकिस्तान से आए थे उस टाइम से फिर छोले, सूखे छोले, छोलों में ब्रेड, धीरे धीरे चलते फिर छोले डोसा हो गया। ब्रेड भगवान की डोसा अच्छा सही काम है और चीज़ भी अच्छी है, क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है। छोले का पानी हो गया जो मेन है, छोले का पानी जिसने पी लिया ना, खांसी जुकाम बुखार सब दूर। तेल वाले छोले हैं जो फेमस हैं, जिसमें घी का चार साथ में मिलता है। फिर कचालू शकरकंदी साइड में मिलती है हमारे, जो मेन है वो छोले हैं।
ये डोसा चोले जो है, ये नाम कैसे पड़ा? ये डोसा कैसे पड़ा?
ऐसी है कि लोग टिक्की बनाते हैं जैसे, तो ऐसे किसी कस्टमर ने डोसा ब्रेड लिया, ऊपर नीचे आलू लगा के और तेल में हमारे फ्राई कर दिया। जब फ्राई हुआ उसने खुद ही खा लिया, तो खाया तो उसको अच्छा लगा, लेकिन फिर उसने मांगा कि ये मैं बनाता हूँ। हमने बना के देखे तो ऊपर बना के चलने लगे, चली गया उसका। चीज़ बनती तवे पे तो नाम ही डोसा रख दिया इसका,
मतलब मसाला डोसा जैसे।
हाँ, तवे बनता है
डोसा चोले में
डोसा नाम रख दिया इसका। तब से फेमस है डोसोले, और पुरानी है, सन 61 चल ही रहा है। ये चटनी गुड़ की, ये पुदीने की, और ये प्याज, ये रेडी।
So our plate of dosa chole is here. As you can see a lot of onions and chole, but a lot of things have gone inside. You can see the pieces of dosa here. That is the bread which has got that paste of boiled potatoes, just boiled potatoes and salt, then is fried in mustard oil, sarson ke tel mein. It is fried nicely, made into dark brown and crispy. It is crushed and then chole was put on top of this, and then the gud ki chutney, and then another green chutney and little bit of onion on the top. A simple dish. It may sound just ordinary, but I'm sure the taste will be extraordinary. So first let me taste the chole itself. Chole with I think all the chutneys, the gud ki chutney, little bit of the green chutney and little bit of onion. Let's take a bite. Very, very unique taste. I can't really define or pinpoint the taste, but that gud ki chutney is playing a big role in this. It gives a very different flavor. The gud ki chutney is not really sweet, but you know it is good. So a very different taste. But now let us taste the dosa. This dosa is unique. This is called chota dosa. The taste of the crispy bread is there, but it has soaked up all that goodness of chole, and it is like melt in the mouth. It is just like butter. It kind of dissolves in your mouth. Very, very unique and different dish. So people of Faridabad, they call this dish chota dosa because it is like a miniature dosa but made with bread. So this is unique to Faridabad, and we don't find this anywhere else in Delhi NCR. We talked to a couple of people and they said they have been savoring this dish for last 25 or 30 years. Actually, this is something which I could never imagine. This is very unique and super tasty. This dish is so pocket friendly. Actually, everything which you get here in Surendra Dosa Chole is priced at ₹30. Very pocket friendly. On special request, you get two kinds of pickle. This is the Ghia pickle. This pickle is made every 5 days. There is a great demand for this pickle, and after 1 or 2 days of pickling, it becomes really khatta, and it is supposed to be quite good with the chole. And this is chocolate. It is not sweet. It is just called chocolate because it looks like chocolate. The masala on these green chilies, they look like chocolate. I'm going to taste this pickle made of ghia. The chocolate will taste later. It's a little spicy. So the bite of this pickle. This is very similar to the amla pickle, but extremely soft, and the masalas are so nice. It's not overtly spicy, it just adds on to the flavor. So piece of the ghia pickle. You can see the color of the gud chutney and the chole, which is perfectly cooked. When you bite into the ghia pickle, it transforms this chole into a level high. After that dosa kulche, we're going to try another specialty of Surendra dosa chole. That is chole ki tari, yeah, chole ki pani. It is basically the water in which the chole has been boiled. So he put some masala in a glass, a squeeze of lemon, and then this water, which is really hot. So let me take a sip of this. Wow. This is really good. They say it is good for the sore throat. The winter is setting in, so have a glass of this in the morning and you get a clear throat. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video of dosa chole and chole ki pani, ya tari. Two unique dishes, and it's really worth your time if you drive down to Faridabad from Delhi and taste this. They just cost ₹30 each. When I came to Surendra Dosa Chole, I didn't expect the dosa chole to be like this. I thought it'll be a conventional big dosa with a special chole. But this was entirely different and a new experience to me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel Chomping Champion, please do it now. Also click on the bell button to get the notifications. We upload videos on Wednesday and Saturday 5 o'clock. We are there on social media, and we have a website www.chompingchampion.com. Please check the website out. Till the next video, stay safe and stay healthy.